Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch to React. So let's say that you are super happy, you have tried your prototype, your high definition prototype that you built in Marcode from Lunacy and in iOS, and you are super happy and everything is peppy and you love cucumber sandwiches. So what do you do now? You want to actually distribute your app, of course. So say that you actually have Apple developer program thingy stuffy, because that is what you actually need to send this through TestFlight, which is a really easy way of distributing apps for iOS. So if you checked on all those things I just said to you, then this is what you need to do. This is actually not difficult at all. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the signing and capabilities checked for your team there, like that. And then this is how you build. You can stop all your things here, your simulators, and then instead of, right now I have iPhone 13, this is a simulator, but you need to choose any iOS device ARM64. That is the first thing you need to do. And I have also unchecked here, I only want this to work on the portrait device orientation and only on iPhone, because I designed it like that over here, and it's going to look really weird on an iPad. So let's not do that. So cool. So you have checked app, any iOS device ARM64. Then you go up here, you can see it, but it says product. And then you go to archive. And it will do some stuffs here. Analyzing, archiving, blah, blah, blah. So boring, but it actually doesn't take so much time. And I learned this just by doing this over and over again until I found Googling stuff and just trying to find the way to do this. And when you actually realize there's not so many steps of doing this. So you can thank me by buying Marcode. So we will be very happy. So make sure to buy our products or we will not be here anymore. So anyway, archives, and here's our app. And then you can do two things. You can validate your app or you can distribute your app. I have tested both these things, and actually haven't figured out why you need to validate your app. Let's just skip that and distribute your app. And now I want to send this to TestFlight, but you could also if you just want to distribute it manually, you get an IPA file, .ipa, and you can manually actually install it on devices that you have physically connected to your computer via the music app. Let's not do that right now. So App Store Connect, next, and I want to upload this to Sketch to React's developer account, Apple, paid, yes, like that. And you know, here's the thing, sometimes you will get errors, and don't be depressed about that. This is just how it is. So let's change the name of the app, because this is actually what this gets checked to Apple's App Store Connect things, and if you use the same name as another app, you will not be able to distribute it like this. So Lunacy demo should be alright. We don't know. Primary language is actually English, but I don't have anything there. Let's just choose English. So blah blah blah. Lunacy demo. And here you can have an error sometimes. It says that name is not available. Let's just check. We don't know. This is like many times it's just like winning the lottery or not winning the lottery. So This is good. We come to this step. I don't understand anything of this. I don't care. Next. Automatically manage signing. That sounds awesome. Thank you, Apple. Let's do that. I don't want to do anything. And now it does a lot of things here. Packaging, a capacitor. Yes, I understand that one. And this takes a little while. Let me drink coffee in the meantime. Signing app. Yes, processing app. And sometimes, as I said, sometimes you get errors, and I really don't know why. I just try another day or later in the day, and usually it works. So you actually need to be very consistent, and you need to have patience there. If you don't have patience, don't do anything of this. But the rewards are magnificent. So we have come to this place, and it says app. Don't. The cool thing is when you actually distribute it, it will be called Lunacy Demo. So just ignore this like that. And now we have come to this part, uploading. I think I have had some errors here also. So yeah, if you Google TestFlight, you will find a lot of things that can go wrong. So it is what it is. But I have actually managed to upload quite a few of our apps built with Marcode to our TestFlight account. So it works. Again, just be very patient. And when you succeed, you actually have a great way of distributing your high fidelity prototype. Let's wait for our response. I will cut here in the video then later. Finally, something is happening. Completing upload. App successfully uploaded. This is awesome. Woo! So it took like 5 minutes, but it uploaded the entire app and put it in the right place and stuff like that. So now it's actually done. Awesome. You can click this link and you go directly to your Apple App Store Connect account. And there you can do, you can set it up for distribution, and you need to do a couple of other things. But let's not look at that right now. Have a great day. Cheers!